to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to try out some new products on camera just to let you guys see my reaction to them and what I think of the products. Yeah, today's gonna be pretty laid back. I actually wanted to start on my base first and just fast forward you guys through it so that I can get started on the eyes and my highlight, because I feel like that's kind of the more exciting part and that's what the new products I have are. Okay, so I did finish my base and I set my concealer with some powder. Now I want to go into blush. This is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Chili Mango. It's this really pretty orange blush. I feel like it might look a little intimidating just because like the average person probably doesn't want to wear orange blush. But Kathleen Light said she liked this, so I bought it because I usually end up liking things that she recommends. So I just thought, why not? I've tried this out once before, but I don't think I like gave it like a fair try because I just put it on really quick to see what it looked like, and then I ended up taking off my makeup for the night. So this is my first time actually using it in a look. What I did last time was just warm it up on my hand because I've seen quite a few videos of Fenty Beauty artists doing that with the matchsticks. So I'm just gonna take my sponge, honestly, and get into this shade. Start putting it on my cheeks. Do you guys like my shirt? I thought it was so cute. My boyfriend bought it for me because we went to like the mall together. What do you guys think about this blush? I like it, honestly. Gave some warmth back to my face, but it's nothing too crazy. Okay, for my contour, I'm gonna go into the Shade and Light palette. You guys already know I use this like a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out my cheekbones and shit. Next, I'm gonna be bronzing my face using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I'm just gonna warm up my face a little and kind of tie everything to that really pretty orange blush that I used. I also noticed that it has like a really pretty sheen to it. Like it doesn't dry down super matte or anything, which I love. Next, I'm gonna do a little baking with my Laura Mercier powder, just so I have like a straight line right here and everything looks nice and clean. I feel like this is like a really easy step that can just like add to the extraness of your look. It's like instant plastic surgery. So I got this. This is the Fenty Beauty Highlighting Palette. I heard a lot of mixed reviews about this. I know everyone enjoyed the pigments and like all of that. The only thing I really heard was that it wasn't very wearable. But my thing is, I kind of just wanted to try it out, and also I figure if I don't end up using like the blue color, say, as like my highlight, then I can always incorporate it into my eyeshadow. I would hate to buy something and never use it, so I'm really gonna like try to push myself to use this. But for now, I'm gonna be highlighting my face. I really enjoyed this color when I swatched it. It was a little dark for me, but I think if I mix these two, then I should be fine. This one is Stone Cold, and this one is Sub-Zero. I can also do some swatches for you guys, just so I'm like a full-on review ass like bitch, you know? Lately, I've been highlighting with my Morphe R36. I see a lot of people using these softer brushes, and then also, I think I'm gonna spray some setting spray on my face, just because I always do that when I'm applying highlight. I feel like it really helps the highlight stick onto your face really good. Since I baked my face, I'm gonna just focus the spray more on the top of my face. So for highlight, I'm gonna be dipping into this whiter shade. I'm so excited. Okay, also this comes with a fat ass mirror, so it's good for that. Ooh. There seems to be a lot of glitter in these highlights, but I'm kind of digging it. Oh my god, this is so fun. Don't you guys love highlighting? Like, this is honestly the best fucking part. It's just so fun. You get to fuck around and do like whatever the fuck you want. Do you guys see this? I've only used this white shade so far. I haven't even used this one. This one is insane. Like, I don't think you guys are ready. I'm gonna look so stinking cute. I just thought I should film a video because it's very rare that I have my hair done. I honestly can't do it myself. I can't really like do curls and a lot of stuff like that. So I thought I would look cute and put together for once. Okay, what do you guys think? I think it looks really insane, but like in the best way possible. Rihanna just fucks me up. She just fucks everyone up. I'm gonna swatch my favorite one for you guys. So it looks like this. Hopefully that swatch says enough. I'm still shook by it. I think it's the most pretty, unique shade. Everyone look. It's like purple from when you turn to the side kind of too, and it's like silver and pink. I think when I apply this, I'm gonna apply it like right here, like in the middle area. I feel like that's where it would look the best on my face. So we're just gonna dip into here with my highlighting brush, pop this right over that other highlight. Just not too much because I don't want to overdo it. This is a totally natural look. Just so everything looks nice and blended out. Hopefully, yeah, you can see it's like a little dark for me because of this like shadow right here when I turn my head. But I'm gonna mix a little more of this shade and it should be fine. This is sickening. By the way, if anyone is trying to buy me the Manny MUA Greek Goddess highlighting palette and wants me to review it, you should totally like ship it to me and I'll do that for you. Okay, now that I'm fucking blinding everyone right now, I think it's time to start on eyeshadow. I'm just adding a tiny bit more blush just to mix everything together nice. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids for this look. I talked about this brush in my most recent video, I think, that I lost, but I found it. No one cares. I honestly love this mirror from this highlighting palette. Also, can we talk about the packaging on this? It's like unique enough for it to still be convenient. Like, I feel like this wouldn't be like annoying to travel with or anything. Like, it's pretty compact. Next, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Honey Slope. It's this brown metallic shade in a Morphe M431. And I'm just going to start placing this on my lid, on my outer lid actually. I'm also going to start putting this on my inside of my lid. I'm also just taking some regular brown eyeshadow and kind of blending the shade up so everything looks nice and blended. I'm going to be doing a halo eye today, so that's why I have the darker shade on my outer corner and my inner corner. I usually just do like the classic look where like this part is darker and this is where your shimmer is. But I just thought I should change it up, you know. So these are the eyes so far before I cut the crease. I'm actually going to use a tiny bit more concealer. I like to do this so my eyeshadow has like a nice base to stick to. If you don't set your concealer, it makes a really nice base. Like I just said, it's like sticky and stuff, so your shadow stays on there and it's extra pigmented. Next, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Stone Cold with my finger. I might end up using a brush later, but then I'm just going to be taking this shadow from my finger and putting it on my lid. I'm gonna quickly finish up my under eyes and I will be right back. You guys know I never use eyeliner, so I'm hoping this doesn't fuck up my whole look. But I do want to add a little bit of my e.l.f. Instant Ink eyeliner. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. This is the Kush Milk Mascara. This kind of looks extremely similar to the eyeshadow look that I did in my last video, but I did use entirely different products. It just turned out the same. I'm just going ahead and highlighting my inner corners with this highlighting palette in the white shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with my Morphe setting spray one more time. I'm gonna highlight one more time. I look so fucking cute. We are almost done with this look. I just need to do my lips and I think that's it. To stick with this whole Fenty Beauty theme, I'm using my liquid lip in the shade Unveil. And I'm gonna outline my lips with this. To finish off this look, I'm gonna go into my ColourPop lipstick in the shade Appy. This always fucking happens to me. Okay, you guys, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. For my final thoughts, I love this. I think it was really cute. This shadow worked pretty good as an eyeshadow. I think it really completed this whole look, but I really can't wait to play around with the rest of these highlighting shades. If you guys want to see another look using this, I would be happy to do that. I loved this Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Chili Mango. I would recommend, or like you don't even need to get this one, I just recommend them in general. I think it was easy to apply and I just had a lot of fun creating this look. Let me know if you're planning on buying any of these things or like what your opinions were. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.